Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about Odysight.AI Incorporation, ticker symbol ODYS. Odysight.AI is a technology company focused on AI-powered visual sensing, predictive maintenance, and real-time monitoring solutions for industries like aviation, transportation, defense, energy, and industrial systems. The company develops advanced camera and AI technologies that help detect system issues before they become major problems. Odysight.ai is working in sectors connected with artificial intelligence, smart monitoring, and Industry 4.0 innovation. The company future growth potential depends on expanding partnerships, technology adoption, and demand for automated monitoring systems in aerospace and industrial markets. Recent updates also show the company expanding collaboration and global presence. Now let's look at the chart analysis. The stock recently showed short-term weakness with price movement staying under pressure near important support zones. Buyers may look for stability and higher volume confirmation before any strong upward momentum. If resistance levels break in future sessions, momentum could improve, while weak sentiment may continue sideways movement. Disclaimer: this video is only for educational and informational purposes. Please do your own research before making any decision. This channel is not a financial advisor. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.